Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your phone ringtone on an Android KitKat device. So let's get started. First go to the settings. As you can see while in the settings, click on the audio profiles or sound and notifications on Lollipop. As you can see, there will be a settings shape like an icon, so press on it and you can see incoming calls, voice call, ringtone. Before it was deep level. I would like to change into Crazy View. So thank you guys for watching so this is how you change your volume, I mean the ringtone, and you can do your video call ringtone too, and your notification sound. Like I'm going to change with it as a sound. Okay, this is how you change your ringtone and notification sounds. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe and thanks.